I'm Chris White, President and CEO of White House of Music, and I'm in Waukesha, Wisconsin today, but we have stores in Waukesha, Watertown, West Bend, and Brookfield. So the customers of White House of Music, it's all based around the student, which means we focus a lot on school music, so the school teachers, the educators teaching band, orchestra, choir, and general music. They kind of fuel our business because they get lots of kids participating in music. On site, we do lessons, so that means students of all ages can participate in private lessons.
I'm Kim Atchison. I'm an insurance agent with Robertson Ryan.
In thinking of the relationship we have with Kim as well as West Bend, the beauty is they almost always anticipate what our needs might be. They're bringing us products and solutions and saying, hey, you might want some coverage for this. Clearly items I have never thought about, nor do I need to, because they're bringing it to me. So I really appreciate what West Bend does on that.
So when we meet a client, the most important thing is effective questioning, so that we understand all facets of the business, all the exposures that are there.
In the case of White House of Music, I guess we do have some unique business needs. Yes, we have retail, and we have school service representatives that are out in schools traveling in vehicles with merchandising. We transfer inventory between locations. We have to insure a warehouse, and they have packaged it in such a way, including works comp, now that I think about it, that it's just handled. It's one monthly bill. If I have a question, there's always answers. So they've made what probably is really complex to some people really easy.
And sometimes you start that relationship building because you're finding out things that are important to them. How do they feel about that? How do they feel about their employees? Oh boy, sometimes it's very surprising. Not with Chris, only surprising in a good way.
Working with West Bend Insurance, it's just been easy. And as I said earlier, I just want it to be simple, understood, so I can move on and work with our staff and our customers. I don't want the distraction of too many details on handling insurance.
So when I talk about my top companies, West Bend falls into that category because they are financially strong, they offer robust coverages, the relationship is important to them, and they're looking for a way to say yes to a claim, not looking for a way to say no. And that really is the most important thing.